Sing a princess song. Hey! Are you a bad guy? You're hurting the princess. Hey, Pickle Pickle.
No, he's a bad guy.
He's bad guy Pickle. Whoa, this princess knows how to fight, huh? Oh, maybe not. Hey, get that booty out of the way. Go get him, Aubrey. Whoa. This princess knows how to...
I'm taking you. I got you.
Capture her, Nick. No, don't throw books.